Right now, you breached on the secured side of an airport.
I came to complain. What are you talking about, dog? How are you gonna get mad?
They're just making sure he did make.
Hey, this bad. I'm gonna get physical if you guys put your hands on me because I didn't do shit.
Okay.
And on me. All this shit for what? Just because I asked for help, don't know where to go?
Hey, man. Hey, we're gonna walk this way.
What?
Did you go through those doors?
I called him.
Yeah, no, but
I went through there. Yeah, I did. I came out the flight. No, I came out the flight. I'm having a problem.
We're gonna walk out. Okay. End of story. All right.
For what?
Once we get over there, we'll get it figured out. Okay. Right now, you breached on the secured side of an airport.
Public intoxication under Texas Penal Code Section 49.02 is a Class C misdemeanor punishable only by a fine of up to $500. The statute is narrow. Intoxication alone is not a crime. The state must prove the person was intoxicated in a public place to a degree that may endanger the person or another. That danger element is the entire case. Without an articulable risk to the subject or to others, the arrest collapses.
I came to complain. What are you talking about, dog? How are you gonna get mad?
I don't make the rules. You just gotta calm down, okay?
No, calm down, shit.
All right, look, man. It's one of the other.
You guys ran for no reason.
You know what happened is you came through the exit.
No, what happened was I went over there and I told him.
We gotta walk this way.
All right, come on.
Yep.
You guys want to be on some gun shit?
We're just trying to do our job, man.
Your job and you.
Is there something you left behind?
Yes, there's a lot of shit I left behind.
Okay, that's what we can help you with.
No, you can't help me with shit.
All right, let's check it out over here.
Hey, we're just making sure he did make.
Hey, this bad. I'm gonna get physical if you guys put your hands on me because I didn't do shit.
Okay.
And on me. You guys want to run and be out of breath? I'm gonna show you out of breath, especially you.
Oh man, what's the problem? All right, I'm just trying to do my job, right?
All right, your job,
right. Come on, at the exit.
That's exactly what I told him to do. Hey, watch out! Don't step on me.
Relax.
Watch out! You stepped on me. You kicked me.
Dude.
Watch out! Watch out! Look, see?
Relax.
See? That's it. Oh no. See, look at that. See, look at that. For what
Relax,
reason? For
man.
what reason? For what reason? For what reason? No, I'm relaxed. For what reason are you guys doing this? Because I'm talking shit.
You're under arrest.
For what reason? For what reason?
You're under arrest. Roll to your stomach.
Hey Siri.
Roll to your stomach.
For what reason?
You breached the airport. Roll
I
to your
came in
stomach.
here. They told me this.
Roll to your stomach. You're under arrest. Roll to your stomach.
I can't. You guys are on my arms.
Roll to your
I'm
stomach.
with you. All right, slow down. Hey Siri, call Dolores Ibarra.
You'll be able to make phone calls.
No, I was. right here. Hey!
Relax.
Hey, Siri.
Stop.
Hey Siri. How I just came in the door and I asked him.
All right, run the camera's back. Run the camera's back.
I
don't want this to choke you.
No, run the camera's back. All I did was ask him a question and went back to the door.
You went through this door, sir.
This
The
one
ones
I
that have
came
no
through.
entry.
No, I came
Put it around
through.
his back. Put it around his back.
All right.
You hurt?
No, I'm
Do you
not
need medics?
hurt. No, I don't need
Okay.
medics. Officer what? And you gotta go my bag.
I didn't break it. I
Yes,
took
you
off,
did. No,
I took
you,
off
you broke it.
I took off the old strap.
Ain't no stop. You broke it. See, officer what, dog? For what? Watch out.
I'll let go. No,
I
no,
hold it. I hold it. I
no.
hold it.
I'm taking your phone.
For what?
I'll keep it on, but you're not calling nobody.
For what
Because I
reason?
don't know who you're calling.
My no, I gotta get
Sit down.
home. I'm from Phoenix.
Sit down.
All right, get the hand off me. For what? Run it back.
For breach. For criminal trespass.
How?
for
I was
infrastructure.
in the airplane already. Somebody record this.
There's lots of people recording.
We're recording. We're
You
recording.
kicked me.
Right here.
You kicked me and grabbed me.
Now, here's what happened.
I know what happened. I told him to call you.
Can I speak?
No, because you guys already on some shit.
All right, well, you're under arrest because you entered an airport where you weren't supposed to.
I was
No,
coming
sir.
from a
You came from a plane. You exited out.
They told me to go to this way.
Who?
To people in 21. Look
Did
at my
you see the
ticket.
signs on the door that said do not enter?
43, Mr. Garden, copy.
The guy sitting in the middle of the pocket told you not to go
No,
through.
because I hold the door and then I started talking to him.
And he said don't go, right?
No, he said come here, in here, to get me in here for that reason.
And then you walked all the way through, 4 signs on the door that said no entry.
No, I was already in there. Come
You were in
on.
the first part. You went through the second part. You're under arrest for it. You have an ID on you.
I'm done talking. I don't want to pop everything.
When you get to the, you have a jail here. When you get there, you can make as many calls as you need.
For what?
You said you need to call somebody because you're supposed to go to Phoenix.
I'm supposed to be finished right now.
Okay. You'll have to see a judge in the morning. You'll get bonded out and you go from there. But you are under arrest for breach.
Under arrest for breach.
Yes, sir.
regardless of how impaired the person appears. A common question is whether an officer may take someone into custody for an offense that carries no jail time. The answer is yes. In Atwater versus City of Lago Vista, decided in 2001, the Supreme Court held that the Fourth Amendment does not forbid a warrantless, custodial arrest for a minor fine-only offense so long as the officer has probable cause. The officer therefore had discretion between a citation and a custodial arrest. Choosing custody on these facts was lawful. The use of force is governed by Graham versus Connor, decided in 1989. Under that standard, force is judged from the perspective of a reasonable officer on the scene, not with hindsight. Courts weigh the severity of the offense, the immediacy of any threat, and whether the subject is actively resisting. Here the underlying offense was minor, which cuts against any heavy use of force, but active resistance and the safety risk of an unsteady, combative subject in a crowded.
Criminal trespass, critical infrastructure.
Oh my gosh.
Hey, one of y'all can leave. We're
Let's
good.
not have.
Hey,
You're
good. We're good.
Just because I asked for help and then
And then when we tried to help you, you started mouthing
because you
off.
guys you knew that shit was gonna happen. You guys set it up for a reason.
Nope, man.
Okay,
I
look
told
in his bag for an ID. When you get to the, we have a jail here. When you get there, you can make as many calls as you need.
For what?
You said you need to call somebody because you're supposed to go to Phoenix.
I'm supposed to be in Phoenix right now.
Okay. You'll have to see a judge in the morning. You'll get bonded out and you'll go from there. But you are under arrest for breach.
Under arrest for breach.
Yes, sir. Breach.
trespass, critical infrastructure.
Oh my god.
Yeah, we're good. Let's not have 50 people here. Those are supervisors. And then when we tried to help you, you started mouthing
Because
off.
you guys you knew that shit was gonna happen. You guys set it up for a reason.
No, sir.
Man, I told
You
to
are
go
a grown
out,
adult.
go
You made your own decision, and we tried to help you. You tell me to f off and all that.
Yeah, because you guys are running for what reason? When I talk to you guys, when I call you guys.
Yeah. So he goes through here first. Goes through the second side. Austin comes up on him. We see him, and of course, and we're this, that. So we started getting him walking back, and he's like, he even says, he's like, you put your hands on me, we're gonna get physical. So right as we get to the exit, I was like, you need to come with me. I had the first door open, and Austin, guiding him, turned around and bowed up on him, and we snatched him. I just grabbed him, brought him into the pocket. We took him down. Martin came in through the first door, cuffed him, and we're here right now.
So he was on this side?
He was on the floor side.
What?
You hear me? You guys running for what reason? When I talk to you guys, when I call you guys.
Because my job is security of this airport, right? When I get
Exactly.
told somebody breaches it, that's what
How?
happens.
I came. You guys see me there.
All right, I'm done arguing with you.
Look. In there. Well, don't
I know.
you
I'm
dare.
trying to take it off without breaking it.
You can't, dog.
Okay,
You already
but
broke
I-
one strap.
no, look.
You guys did. No,
Look.
look. It doesn't go in. It has to be sold.
Well-
You guys did broke it.
So what happens when you fight? You got a wallet on you? We're gonna get it anyway. So
Exactly. I can't do that. Why the f you hit me?
He didn't
That
hit
would
you.
hit me in my elbow. My head.
relax.
You hit me in my head. Yes, you did. He hit me with an elbow. He just said stand up. Why are you trying to grab me like that? He just hit me in the head with his elbow. Hey, could you I need an ambulance. No, I need an ambulance. I need a fucking ambulance.
Yo, check you out the jail, okay? You don't have to
damn.
it right now, okay? He didn't hit you in the head.
Yes, he did. He just
face the car, okay?
I am facing a car.
Last notification was Edward 645.
Off of what? I don't even know.
He's got 2 pairs of pants on.
The one in the photograph. Don't worry.
Quit reaching.
You're picking up my pants.
Okay, I'll pick up your pants for you. You're not reaching for anything.
No, because you're going to pick them up all retarded. I already know you guys.
Where's your feet?
You guys just had me right there and then screwed me up. You like kicking balls, fool? Switch. All this shit for what? Just because I asked for help, don't know where to go?
That wasn't responded, he said it. Put your hands up.
And he kicked me. Remember that? And he hit me.
Hey! Swear to God, man.
Yeah. Sit.
Hey, I got his legs.
No, I didn't.
You kick again, you will get tased. You kicked him, that's another charge. You will get assault now.
Ain't get nothing. Look at him.
Hey, we're good. We just keep leg restraints on him.
We're good. See?
You want to put leg restraints on him?
Put inside now, or? We got it in the car?
I'm good. I'm not doing that. Look, see how
Hey, it's already done. Are you alright for this, you?
Assault public servant now.
That's good. Thank you. At least I made it worth it, right? You guys want to fucking treat me bad? I'll make it worth it. No, I didn't.
Stop.
I didn't kick
Stop.
you. I'm not talking to you.
I'm talking to you. Stop moving.
No, I'm not talking to you. See, you just aggravated for what? Hyped up and aggravated. Hyped up and aggravated.
Piece of shit's work.
That's good. I'm not kicking, not doing nothing. See, look. Put my pants up there. You know, I'm decent exposure if you can keep pulling my pants down.
Nobody really cares what you're saying right now.
They want to up with you guys.
You're not. That's
Alright, See? We can make it harder. We can make it easy. What the
If you want to keep struggling, you're going to get tased. You're going to get tased.
Terminal way the other way. The most consequential legal moment is the physical contact with the officer. Texas law offers 2 very different paths. Under Section 22.01, causing bodily injury to a peace officer who is lawfully performing a duty is a second-degree felony, punishable by up to 20 years. Under Section 38.03, resisting arrest requires only the use of force against an officer and is a Class A misdemeanor. 2 features of the resisting statute deserve emphasis. First, it does not require that the underlying arrest be lawful. By statute, it is no defense that the arrest was unlawful. Second, the choice between felony assault and misdemeanor resisting rested with the officer and the prosecutor, not with the statute. Electing the lesser charge was an exercise of discretion that favored the subject. One further legal duty applies once a person is in custody. The arresting agency assumes responsibility for that person's medical welfare.
It's not like I have
You're going to get tased.
For what?
I don't really care. You can get it again.
For what? What am I doing?
Because you kicked one of my officers.
I did not.
And you're going to continue to do
I did
it.
not kick your officers.
I can make that work for now.
Yeah, you got it. See? Now you're on some. See? I saw no one's touching you. See, now you're stepping on me. See, no one's doing nothing. Yeah, I know, but you don't have to be aggressive as he's doing stepping on me.
Dude, you kicked the cop.
No, I didn't.
It's on camera, man.
See, look, why you keep touching me, dog? You keep touching me. Look, you hit me in my head. Hey.
You okay?
Yeah, that's it. You have his ID?
No. Right, go.
Yeah.
All right, stick your legs through, all right? You need to be under back.
All right.
Stick your legs through.
I can't stick.
Yeah, you can. You got it, see? There you go, you got one.
Oh, my hand. Ah.
You're good.
Ah.
Now you got the other, see?
Oh, my hand.
You're good.
I can't move.
Yes, you can.
No,
You got it. And don't kick me either.
I'm not kicking you. I'm not. I swear to God, I'm trying to cooperate.
Put your hands through.
I can't. I gotta turn to this side.
Put your hands through, dude.
I can't put my hand. This arm, my left. My left arm. My left arm.
I'm gonna get you off of it.
All right.
You off of it?
Yeah.
Now stick it through, man. Stick it through.
I can't. You put my hands, both my wrists. Put them back. Please.
There we go.
There you go.
You got it?
Sorry. Yeah. Let's swap it.
All right. Sit on in. All right, we got to do a secondary search, right? That's this wall. Right here.
I know, but hey, like, can you get a medical? I'm in pain. I need an ambulance or medical. I'm in pain. A lot.
What hurts?
Everything. A lot. My side, whole left side, my wrists are too tight. I hit my head.
I got upside.
I need an ambulance. I've been telling you guys from the start. When we first.
If you have an injury, let me know about it.
I've been told
I'm not hearing an injury from you yet. Tight cuffs.
I told you. I got hit on my whole left side. I feel pain right there, all right there. My left side. I feel pain on my left side. And I need full evidence of
Alright, love, let's go. Get straight to ISO.
I told you that first week.
Assessing consciousness and distinguishing genuine distress from feigned unresponsiveness is part of that duty. A missed medical emergency can expose both the individual and the agency to grave consequences. The grades follow from this analysis. The arresting officer earns a B+. He built the danger element through deliberate questioning, warned before each escalation, and declined the available felony in favor of the lesser charge. Audible profanity from officers is the principal deduction. The subject earns a D+. Heavy impairment explains but does not excuse conduct that converted a fine only. Offense into independent criminal exposure for resisting. The credit she retains is narrow. No weapon, no flight, and no serious injury. The department earns a B. Coordinated, graduated, and welfare conscious, with professionalism gaps that keep it from a higher mark. Two lessons stand out from this encounter. For anyone detained, even wrongly, the law rewards compliance and later litigation. Using force against an officer creates a fresh crime that stands entirely on its own, independent of whether the original arrest was valid.